Today I'm going to show you a fun and easy way to learn string skipping using a major chord. I got this exercise when I was about 16 or 17 years old from John Petrucci from one of his instructional CDs, and I'm going to share it with you. So for today's example, we're going to use the B major chord just like this. Now the whole point of string skipping is to train your picking hand to be able to do that, but it's also going to train your fretting hand as well. So we're going to start off on the 7th fret of the E string, and then we're going to skip over that A string and we're going to play the 9th fret of the D string. Then we're going to play the 9th fret of the A string, and then we're going to skip over the D string and we're going to play the 8th fret of the G string. Then we're going to play the 9th fret of the D string, and then we're going to skip over that G string and play the 7th fret of the B string, and then we're going to play the 8th fret of the G string, and then we're going to skip over the B string and then play the 7th fret of the E string. And then on your way back, you're going to hit that high 11th fret of the E string, and then you're going to come back to the 8th fret of the G string, and then you're going to hit the 7th fret of the B string and skip over the G string and come to the 9th fret of the D string, and then you're going to hit the 8th fret of the G string, skip over the A string, come down to the 9th fret of the A string, and then you're just going to roll that ring finger, hit the 9th fret of the D string, skip over that A string and come back home to the 7th fret of the E string. And all together it should sound like this. You can also take that same shape and you can kind of move it around and it sounds really cool. Add a little bit of palm muting as well with your picking hand, and you're in rock and roll territory. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one, and if you have any comments or questions, drop them below. Bye-bye.